Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it or press the middle button to enter. Then select the general settings by tapping on it or pressing the middle button, and once you're in the general settings, scroll down and find the option called the flight mode. And once you find it, you will see the status of the mode. At the moment it is turned off, and if you want to turn it on, you can tap on it or press the middle button, then select on by tapping on it or by scrolling up and pressing the middle button, and now the mode will be enabled. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see the airplane mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the menu again, find the settings of course, enter the settings, enter the general settings, scroll down, find the scroll down and find the flight mode, select it, tap on it or press the button, select off, and then you can go to the watch face, and as you can see the mode is off because the icon is gone. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.